Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to Gigabyte driver and then you can see here right hand side to search button, just click it and then type your model number of motherboard which is required to driver. Then click to guys product. Then click the name of the title. So guys, then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system Windows 10 11 which is required. So select any installations process which is I am saying like same. Okay, Bluetooth driver, we can see this is Bluetooth driver and click to download. You can see here it is started downloading. So it is completed. Just open this folder and double click to setup. Click to yes. Now you can see here it will show here it is it will detect and showing perform and installations by the cmd command. It will close the door means this is installed.